Few years back, I went to Art of Living International Center in Bengaluru to do the Upanayanam program. In that, they taught me Sandhya Vandanam. I have been practicing that regularly. Before practicing Sandhya Vandanam, if I had hatred, anger towards people and situations, after performing Sandhya Vandanam, it became love and compassion. This was an amazing experience for me, indescribable in words. Then I was thinking about what is there in Sandhya Vandanam. Then I went and did a research in the internet. I found Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar has spoken about it. He has said many things. I will share the link to the article in the description. You can take a look. From that, we will look into one thing today. Our intellect has got three qualities: tamasic, rajasic, sattvic. When our intellect is tamasic, when somebody is doing a good job, we find flaws in them. When our intellect is rajasic, we are busy with activity. I have to go to the bank, I have to go to the office, I have to go to the market, I have to pay the bills. Like that, we are busy with activity. When our intellect is sattvic, we are blissful, happy, contented, intuitive, and we are intelligent in helping others. These three qualities, they keep coming again and again during the course of the day. For this, if you have to look into my personal example, for teaching this happiness program morning batch, I wake up early in the morning around 3:30. Around 4 o'clock, my intellect will be crystal clear. It will be sattvic in nature. Around 10 o'clock in the morning, my intellect will be rajasic in nature. Around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, my intellect will be once again sattvic in nature, provided you had a limited lunch. If you had a heavy lunch, then you will fall asleep. Around 7 o'clock in the evening, my intellect will be tamasic in nature. The same thing, if you have to look into it from another angle, every day before having my breakfast, I usually feed the birds. Some days I prepare pongal. I take a portion of the pongal, divide it into 4 parts and keep it in our balcony. For eating the pongal, sometimes the crow will be coming. It will come very fast, pick up one part of the pongal, eat off, and the remaining off will fall down and it will fly away very fast. This we can take it as an example for tamasic intellect. Sometimes the squirrel will be coming. It will come very fast and eat the pongal like this. But it will not waste it. This we can take it as an example for rajasic intellect. For eating the pongal, sometimes the parrot will be coming. It will come near to the pongal and keep thinking whether to eat the pongal or not. After some time, it will look this side, that side, and see if there are anybody around. If there is nobody around, then it will come near to the pongal, taste it, and then eat it very slowly. This we can take it as an example for sattvic intellect. Now we will come back to the topic. In Sandhya Vandanam, there are many processes. The main feature of Sandhya Vandanam is Gayatri Jabam. What Gurudev says is, while doing Gayatri Jabam, we go beyond these three qualities and become one with Lord Shiva. In the same article, Gurudev says, Saint Adi Sankaracharya ji, he says Shivoham. Shivoham means become one with Lord Shiva. That's why the hatred, anger becomes love and compassion. While I was teaching this happiness program, one person asked me, you are saying accept people and situations as they are. There is one person with me, I am not able to accept the person. What should I do? That's what the person was asking me. You may also have this kind of experience in your life. I am stuck in this situation. How many of you have this experience? Almost all of you, right? In this situation, you can make use of Sandhya Vandanam as a technique. If you use it, then what will happen? The person will remain the same. The situation will remain the same. If you practice Sandhya Vandanam regularly, it will bring an amazing change within you, and an uncanny ability will emerge out of you in order to handle that situation. This is my practical experience. Now your question is, this Gayatri mantra is available in the internet. I can go and learn it from there. You shouldn't do that. There is a process called initiation. You have to learn it properly and then practice it. Now your question is, where to learn it from? You can go to Art of Living International Center in Bengaluru. There is an office called Vaidik Dharma Sansthan. It's also called as VDS Trust Office. There you can go and register and do the Upanayanam program. You can do online registration also. I will provide the link in the description. You can take a look. Now your question is, should I learn it only from Art of Living International Center? You can learn it from there, or wherever you are, you can go to a good learned Pandit, learn it properly and then practice it. How many days this program? This program is for 5 days. You have to go and stay in the ashram for 5 days. There is very good food and accommodation is provided during your stay there. Who can do this program? If you are 8 years and above, then you are eligible to do this program. After doing this program, you have to practice it for 3 times in a day. Morning we call it as Pratha Sandhya. Noon time we call it as Madhyanikam. Evening time we call it as Sayam Sandhya. Now your question is, I don't have the time to practice it for 3 times in a day. If you don't have the time, you can practice it 2 times in a day. If you don't have the time even for that, it's good if you practice it at least 1 time in a day. Today we have seen the benefits of performing Sandhya Vandanam regularly. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like it, you may like the video, share it, and then you may subscribe to the channel. If you have some questions, write it on the comment section. I will reply to you. On this occasion, I would like to thank my parents. Without them, I wouldn't be here to talk to you. I also would like to thank my Guru, Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. Without the grace of the Master, this video wouldn't have been possible. I also would like to thank the Mother Nature, which is supporting me in this endeavor. I also would like to thank my daughter, who has patiently recorded this video for me. I also would like to thank all of you for watching this video.